How to delete or remove Exness account. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete or remove your account on Exness. First is open up any preferred web browser on your end, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. So just simply head straight into exness.com's official website. Then once you're here, you need to log in into the account that you want to be deleted. Now once you've successfully logged in, this is going to be your home dashboard. All you have to do at your left side is to go into this gear icon, which is going to be your settings, and then head into security. Now in the security tab, this is all the verifications that you will see. All I have to do is scroll down and then under device and account security, choose on terminate Exness personal area. Once you click that, you will see a confirmation message. You just have to hit on continue and then choose the specific reason why you would like your account to be removed and hit on continue. And that is how you delete or cancel or remove your Exness account.